Starting around 02 July 2023, Velo for the most part is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.04% in certainly most recent 60 minutes. Or so they by and large thought. Velo explicitly has a kind of complete market cap of $21,842,221, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,850,321 in a kind of enormous manner. This for the most part makes Velo, by and large positioning at 566 in the digital currency market. Or so they generally thought. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Velo cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Velo by and large be truly worth in 2023? Which for the most part is genuinely huge. Is Velo in all things considered, wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023? Really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Will Velo cost generally outperform its record-breaking high? These really are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in a genuinely huge manner. Velo, value expectation 2023. As per the Velo estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost for the most part is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $0.004, the normal pretty least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to in a real sense be $0.004, which by and large is genuinely critical. Besides, Velo can essentially arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $0.004 in a kind of significant manner. Velo, value expectation July 2023. With respect to July 2023, Velo cost fundamentally is estimate to essentially arrive at a sort of the least cost of $0.003 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. The Velo cost could arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0.003, with the really normal expected cost around $0.003, or so they especially thought. Velo, value conjecture August 2023. The Velo cost for August 2023 may in a real sense arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0.003, while the truly greatest determined cost generally is around $0.003, or so they in a real sense thought. The truly normal cost for Velo in a real sense is for the most part anticipated to reach $0.003 in August 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Velo, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Velo in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.003 and $0.004, or so they certainly thought, while the typical exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $0.003, which fundamentally is very critical. Velo, value expectation October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Velo cost basically is estimate to truly arrive at an actually the least cost of $0.003. So Velo, value expectation 2023. As per the Velo conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Velo cost especially is supposed to explicitly cross an essentially normal value level of $0.004, the normal especially least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to in a real sense be $0.004 in a significant manner. The Velo cost could fundamentally arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $0.004, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $0.003, or so they basically thought. Velo, value estimate November 2023. The Velo cost for November 2023 may for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense least worth of $0.003, while the very greatest determined cost really is around $0.004 in a very significant manner. The by and large normal cost for Velo sort of is anticipated to explicitly reach $0.004 in November 2023, which explicitly is very huge. Velo value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the really most extreme cost for Velo could especially stretch around $0.004, or so they in every practical sense thought. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 is $0.004 with an especially normal cost of $0.004, demonstrating the way that the Velo cost could in every practical sense arrive at and in every way that really matters. Greatest cost of $0.003, with the truly normal expected cost around $0.003, which truly is very huge. Velo past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto essentially has been diminished by 1.64% in its especially current worth, showing how this generally makes Velo extremely positioning at 566 in the digital money market, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we essentially look at the genuinely current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. Velo is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with fundamentally other crypto coins, or so they for the most part thought. The Velo especially is down to nearly 5.66% in the very most recent 7 days in a truly significant manner. The coin explicitly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for sort of past lovely few days. The coin could generally have areas of strength for especially, however, we don't really believe that it would a productive resource in present moment. Or so they in a real sense thought. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo certainly diminished by 53.843%, disposing of an incredible typical amount of $0.003 from its truly current worth, showing how Velo value conjecture November 2023. The Velo cost for November 2023 may arrive at a truly least worth of $0.003, while the sort of greatest estimated cost in a real sense is around $0.004 in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a great sort of purchase and open door for especially fast venture, exhibiting that while the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.003 in a truly significant manner. The 90 days cost change especially is around 3.67%, and the cost especially circled from a by and large least extremely normal cost of $0.003 to kind of greatest really normal cost of $0.003 in the beyond 90 days. Which shows that on the off chance that we in every practical sense look at the fundamentally current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down in an unobtrusive way. In for the most part most recent 4 months, Velo basically has shown a developing pattern in an exceptionally significant manner. Subsequently, we for the most part feel that comparable pieces of the market explicitly were very famous at that period in a fundamentally huge manner. As per the in every practical sense, most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo explicitly is expanded from 4 months in a really significant manner. The exchanging volume is an essential job and its cost in an especially huge manner. The coin explicitly is up by 27.83%,